Hey guys, this is Danny at blowoutcards.com and you're watching Blowout TV's live video box breaks. We're live on Blowout TV right now and about to do a 2-box break of 2011 Bowman Draft Baseball for Darryl. Alright, Darryl, good luck, man. Here we go. Alright, 24 packs in a box. Good luck, man. Jared Dyson, Nick Ahmed, Francisco Lindor, Tony Cruz, CJ McElroy, Chase Ruffin, Refractor, George Springer, Mikel Cleto, Dom Nunez, Chrome, Rex Brothers, Joseph Musgrove, Anthony Bass, Mike Wright, oh, this one feels a little thick. Jerry Sands, Jake Hager. No, just a checklist. Sorry, false alarm. Lance Lynn, Chrome, Hunter Mercado Hood. Graham Godfrey, Sean Gilmartin, Refractor, Lance Jeffers, Henry Sosa, Chrome, Michael Fulmer, Chrome. Pack number 11 here. Flying through these. Robbie De La Rosa, Adrian Hauser. Pack number 12. Mark Hamburger, Kenyon Walker. These guys have the best names in this product. Quackenbush and Hamburger. Zach Cozart, Matthew Budgel, Refractor. Lance Pendleton, Tyler Pill. Eduardo Sanchez. Ooh! Take a look at that auto. That's a good one. Taylor Jungmann. I think he's one of the better ones. Alright. Very nice. Eric Thames, Zach Cohn, Tristan Magnuson, blue, number to 499, Archie Bradley, Arden Pabst, Adam Wilk, Refractor, Kevin Whelan, Austin Meadows, Chrome, Trevor Clifton, Tony Watson. And for those of you who are watching who do like this product, here's a hint. We have this on special right now on the website at $599.99 a case. Sold a lot of cases today at that price. That's an amazing deal. Joe Panic. I'm sure some of you guys are going to jump on that right now. Exactly. Albuquerque. I love it. Will Lamb. Hamburger, Quackenbush, and Albuquerque. 3 packs left. Pestano, Pelaez. 2 packs left. Let's go for a Hamburger Superfractor here. Matt Young, Pratt Maynard, Refractor. My man, Kevin Quackenbush. Alright, last pack here. Johnny Giovatella, Kyle Kubica, and Nick Martini. Alright, that was box number 1. We got a Taylor Jungmann for you, man. Here we go. Box number 2, 2011 Bowman Draft. Good luck. Pack number 1. Mikey Matuk, Chrome. Everett Tiford, Bryson Brigman. We got a Joe Demers. We got a Josh Rodriguez refractor. Cody Ash. Guys, if you want a spec on cases, you can't get anything better than $600 a case on Bowman Draft. $50 a box for a Bowman Draft is crazy. Look at what all the other Bowman Drafts go for in previous years. $50 is a steal, guys. It's highway robbery. Jose Altuve. Ezequiel Carrera, blue refractor, number to 199. Bichette Bundy Baez. The Killer Bees. Craig Kimbrell, Sean Gilmartin. Martinez, Panic. People's Walls. That's another good one. People's Walls. Daniel Moscos, Matthew Budgel. Sonny Gray. Mustakas, Soptic refractor. Henry Owens. Chisenhall, Maynard. I'm telling you guys, Chris and Fish, they put that Bowman Draft on sale today, and it's not going to be up there very long. I was pretty happy with that price. So, Brandon Geyer, Adam Ehrlich, Bubba. You guys got to take advantage of that price right now. Alright, enough shameless advertising. Here we go. Andrew Brown, Taylor Guerrieri, Michael Martinez, Daniel Vogelbach, Jose Iglesias, blue, number to 499. I have a feeling the auto is coming soon. I feel like it's in the same spot every time. Josh Rodriguez, oh my god. It is. It's always like right there. Alright, here we go. Keenan Walker, blue refractor auto. Number to 150. 52 of 150. Keenan Walker. Ryan Lavarnway, Sean Buckman. Alright, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs left. CJ Cron, Chrome. Ryan Lavarnway, refractor. James Harris, Chrome. Alright, I'm getting some messages here. Sorry guys, can't take any more requests for tonight. These Bowman drafts are taking a long time. Trevor Bauer, Chrome. But if you guys want to order it, go to the site. You won't find that price anywhere else. Kellen Moen. Joel Carino, Francisco Lindor Chrome. 3 packs left. Let's get a super fractor here. Blake Tecote, Carson Sands. 2 packs left. Chase Ruffin. Ooh, Bubba Starling Refractor. Chrome Refractor. Nice. Trevor Bauer. Alright, last pack. Here we go. Adam Wilk. Matthew Skoll. Alright. Well, thanks a lot, Darryl. I'll be sure to get this out for you tomorrow. And take care, man.